Hey guys, welcome back. I'm in the car with my brother. Say hey. We get ready to go run some errands right quick. Hope everybody has been having a good day. It's Saturday morning. Well, not Saturday morning, it's what, Saturday afternoon. I hope everybody's doing good. I hope everyone is safe with all this going on. I want to wish well wishes, prayers, happiness, and a peace of mind to everyone around the world with all this going on with this virus and just with everything that's going on in the world in general, such as cancer, Alzheimer's, sicknesses, just any kind of sicknesses that anybody have. I wish you family members, hope they all get well, wishing you all a peace of mind and just prayers for everyone's safety. And hopefully we all can just get past this and move forward and continue on with our lives and live the life that we want to be and just be happy. You know, just live and be happy until we go on to our final resting place. But yeah, so we out and about right now, just get ready to run some errands. I just wanted to come in and say hey to you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later on. Bye.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Hey, for y'all out there that's hunkering down at home, self-quarantine and whatnot, this is a great time to spend some time with your family and reconnect, because everybody who works and goes to school, we spend more time with our co-workers and our classmates than we do our families, and they know us better. So take this time to get to know your family.
That's right.
Y'all have a good day.
All right. Hello everyone, welcome back. So right now we in the middle of a kitchen disaster. So we're trying to get this stuff organized in the freezer, refrigerator, and in the pantry. And I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. So this is what my pantry is looking like. A hot mess. So what I'm ready to do is do a declutter real quick so we can put these groceries up and have everything organized like it should be. I can't record as I'm cleaning it out because I don't have a tripod, but I do the best I can with what I got. I'll just show you guys the before and after. So this is what my pantry is looking like now. Still needs some work done to it, but it's looking a whole lot better than what it was looking before. A whole lot better than what it was looking like before. So what I did was I tried to categorize the foods the best way I could. Plus I ran out of space. This bottom shelf is for the dog products and for like trash bags and for like candles and soap. Then this next shelf is going to be for snacks, baking items, and breakfast food. So this next shelf has spaghetti sauce and salsa and salad dressing, canned vegetables, different soups, chicken broth, spaghetti, quinoa. This is a snack, so this needs to go down here to this shelf. Quinoa, nuts, vinegar, and this big thing of pretzels. I had to stick this somewhere. So I don't know, we probably change it around again, but this is what we needed to do. Hey, can you cut that down a little bit, please? Sorry about that, guys, but this is just something that we needed to do to try to get everything simply organized. So yeah, it's looking a whole lot better. Later on, we'll probably get some stuff to like open packages that got multiples of quantities in them and put them together and do it that way. But for right now, this is what we're going to do to make it work. Just trying to be organized the best way we can. So you guys enjoyed this little quick pantry organization video. Well, I wouldn't say pantry organization video. I just needed to clean my pantry out real quick to put some other food items and just to have everything organized so it can be easier for people to walk in and get what they wanted. Sorry if the angle and the shot wasn't good. I need to get me a tripod, but I'm using what I have, my little stand, the best way I can, and I'm still learning. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Dion. Welcome. I hope you become a chat partner. If you are a returning chat partner, I appreciate you all for your support and for continuing to watch my videos. As always, you guys are great. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave any comments or video suggestions down below. Hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload. And as always, be safe, take care, and stay blessed. Bye, guys.